Hi, my name is Raya and I'm the doctoral student for the first SoMeCliCS Subproject. The first subproject is about student general usage of social media in the climate change context. We already know that teenagers use social media as a source of information, also about scientific content like climate change. This holds an immense potential since it encourages knowledge and mobilizes activism. However, there's also non-informative content like entertaining content and pseudoscientific posts on social media. This can make it challenging for users to separate those different types and also determine which posts are reliable sources of information. The application of algorithms intensifies this problem since it creates communication phenomena like filter bubbles amplifying one-sided confrontation on topics. As a reaction to this, from the science educational perspective, there need to be implementations of learner-centered interventions with authentic problems for science classes. However, a basic insight into the students' actual experience and the students' actual usage of social media in the context of climate change is missing. That's what the presented project aims to examine in 3 sub-projects which are portrayed in Figure 1. In the first sub-project, U1, we examine how students approach scientific social media content on climate change by conducting focus groups with activist and non-activist students. We specifically want to find out which characteristics do students describe as scientific content concerning climate change on social media and which communication patterns students recognize concerning this topic. At the moment, we are in the middle of conducting U1. During the focus groups, we ask questions with a semi-constructed guideline, including open questions as well as 2 tasks. One of those tasks is done with the material from Figure 2. Here, students have to explain which aspects of posts they pay attention to determine its scientificity. In the second sub-project, U2, we examine students' actual confrontation with climate change content and its scientificity on their Instagram feed in order to develop confrontation types. Here, we will do a systematic analysis of students' Instagram content through their own accounts in the LearnWeb environment constructed by the L3S. If you would like to know more about the technical proceeding of LearnWeb in this sub-project, you can watch Apurva's video. This one is in development and will be piloted soon. In the third sub-project, U3, we want to identify influential factors in the different confrontation types we found out in U2 through a survey with the same sample. We're looking forward to gain more specific knowledge about how students use social media in the context of climate change in the next 3 years.